We bought this house about 10 years ago, and when we saw it for the first time, we absolutely fell in love with it. It was the perfect location, the right size, and we came in, and you know when you walk into a house, you just think, yeah, I want to live here. But after a few years, we realised that actually it didn't really reflect our personality. But also it was really cold. This is a 1930s house, and we had those old crickle windows, really damp, really cold, not secure. And actually the house was dark, and we really couldn't bring the garden into the home. So it was a lovely home, but it just needed updating. And so that project was a big one, and we wanted to make sure that every aspect of it was right. So since we've had the house renovated, it genuinely has changed our life. And the more time I spend here, the more time I just love my home so much. The biggest thing that's made a difference to our lives is the fact that it's just very light. There's so much light streaming in. Before, we lived in quite a dark house, and it just made you feel a bit gloomy and sort of down really, but now it's just so fresh and airy, and just being able to look out at the trees and the birds and nature, it's really uplifting.